Why hello my smooth friends. Today I've got another unboxing for you from Allure Beauty Box. I believe, let's see, this is the January box, so let's see what's in it. I know I selected a bronzer from Tarte, so we'll look at everything that's in it, and also I got some add-ons, so we'll go with that too. Wow. Okay. Let me put this off to the side, and I will pull out one thing at a time. So the first thing I got was this big weird looking jar from Blake Brown. And it is Wild Nectar Santal Fundamental Nourishing Mask. Oops. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells like sandalwood. And it looks like it is to use on your hair for external use only. Well, I wasn't planning on eating it. It has no directions, but let's see what it says inside the little description. Kick your conditioner to the curb and greet your new Hair Care Essential, our nourishing mask, formulated to properly hydrate and replenish your strands. Infused with notes of bergamot, fig, I love fig, cardamom, and sandalwood. Because your hair is your most memorable scent. You don't want your hair smelling weird. Okay, so that I'll definitely use. Let's see what else we have. We have something by the brand Obagi. I don't know what brand that is. I've never heard of it. At first I thought it said Ogilvy. I'm like, that's like a blast from the past. This is a facial moisturizer, provides all-day moisturization, is suitable for all skin types, contains hydromanil, a multi-action agent derived from tara seed, known to gradually deliver moisture to the skin. So it sounds like it's a time-release moisturizer. Very interesting. Also includes shea butter, mango butter, avocado, and glycerin to help combat skin dryness. Let me see how this feels on the face, or on my skin at least. Comes in a little pump bottle, and it looks a little thick, but no, it's actually quite thin and really lovely. It smells kind of just like regular lotion. It doesn't have any smell. So we got that. Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Souffle. English Growers. So this is the next item. Mitchell and Peach. Let's see what this smells like. A light moisturizer to nourish and soothe the skin. So this is for your body, not your face. Oh, it's got one of these little thingies on it. That smells very flowery. Yeah, it's very flowery. It has like I guess it's just the only thing I can describe it as is flowery. But it's thin, so it will be nice to use. I like to just use moisturizer every time I get out of the shower, right after I get out. Yeah. Especially in the winter, my legs get super dry. Okay. We got a Paul Mitchell different product. This is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Silky smooth, humidity resistant. Let's see what this says in the little booklet. Yeah, it's for your hair. So we got two hair products here. Warm and nickel size amount and put it on your damp hair. You can follow it up with blow dry, etc., etc. Makes it smooth and sweet notes of apples and berries. And we have one more thing in here, Levitate Beauty Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. Collagen, ginseng, and pearl extract. I like using these. I will be using these up. It looks like there's 2 pairs in here. Yeah, 2 pairs. Cool, hydrate, and revitalize tired, puffy eyes with Cool Hydrogel Under Eye Mask. Got that one, and then the last thing in here was the item you got to choose your color. There's usually one item every month that you get to choose a color, and depending on what it is, it will, you know, either be a light color, or if it's a blush, you can choose what color, pink or orange or whatever. They give you a couple choices. So this one is a bronzer from Tarte, and it's one of the squeezy puffs. So let's just squeeze this. So when you open this, you actually have to twist it to be able to get the product out, and you'll see the product comes to the top. This is a cool brown color, and I'm just gonna spread that out a little bit so you can see what it looks like. It looks like it can be my color, especially in the summer. I would use this, not a problem. Overall, I don't use a lot of bronzer. When I do, I use it pretty lightly. So yeah, so that's everything that came in the January box. There were 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 6 items. 6 full-sized items, although there's only 2 sets of patches in here. Really looking forward the most to using this hair mask. So, very excited about that. Okay, so that's that. Now, I also have in here my December box. So let's see what's in the December box. Some coupons. Okay, so the first thing is Manuka Honey Kissed. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Shampoo. Ooh. Revitalize your hair with Lucida Manuka Honey Shampoo. So yeah, this is the shampoo. It has like a little rip tab here, and it looks like there's a conditioner in here as well. I'm actually going to open it. So there's little samples of shampoo and conditioner, and I have to say, just opening this little pouch, it smells so good. Okay. This one is I got an eyeshadow palette in here, and it looks like, I'm not going to swatch this because I do think I'm going to give this away. It's called Beauty for Certain, and I've used this product, I've used this brand before. We got a highlighter before, and it's okay. And I think I got another palette and it was okay. This is a neutral palette. It's got some beautiful colors and sparkles, but I am not going to swatch this because I do want to put it in a giveaway. Okay, and then the next thing, we got a toner pad. 1 toner pad. I don't know if it's 1 in here. 2. There's 2 Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. I'm going to use one of these tonight, I think. And there's also Bee Venom by Rhode Isle. Rhode Isle's a nice brand. They're pretty expensive. Firming eye cream. So I have so much eye cream. I think I've told you guys this before, but the eye cream that I have, sometimes I just use them as face cream because I have so much of it. Okay, and then the last thing was the choice, and it's a glossy balm from a brand called Dibs. And Dibs, it looks like this. It's very pretty. Let's just put this right on my lips. My luscious lips! Mmm. It smells like vanilla. It's really nice. It's a nice lip gloss. The color is Mars. So that's everything in the December box. So we got 2 boxes that we opened. I think the thing I'm most excited about in this box is not only the lip gloss, which I really like this lip gloss, but the 2 shampoo and conditioners. I always like to try new shampoo and conditioner, and if I buy shampoo and conditioner on my own, I usually buy something from the drugstore or the shopping center. I don't buy expensive shampoos and conditioner, especially shampoo, because they're basically all the same ingredients. It's just that one place is going to charge you $50 a bottle, and another place is going to charge you anywhere from $5 to $15 a bottle. So I go with the 5 to 15 for that. I like what I got these 2 months. The Allure beauty box, I think, is pretty consistent with good products. The thing that I didn't like in this box was the eyeshadow palette, because it's a neutral palette, but I do think someone would get good use out of that, so I will put that in my giveaway. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn more about the Allure beauty box, I will leave some in the description below. Feel free to hit like and subscribe, and be hopeful, not sad. I will talk to you all very soon. Bye! Oh, by the way, if you like this look, check out this video here to find out how to get it. Bye!